Hi, I'm Todd Cooprider with Esoteric, and welcome to our FAQ series. Today's question is, how do you restore faded trim? What somebody's talking about here is plastics trim various parts on the outside of the car. Particularly, you get into areas like the cowling up by the windshield wipers. It will fade, it will get gray. A lot of different plastics go through that same thing. Now, if you're used to using some kind of dressing on it, it's going to be temporary at best, and a lot of those different kind of products may last a couple of washes, or if you use some kind of dye, it might last a little bit longer. Nothing compares to using a plastic specific trim coating. You use something like ISM coat from Kamikaze or trim from Geon. When you put that on, it's going to turn it back to black, and it's going to stay that way for well over a year, regardless of what kind of weather conditions that you're going to be in. And unlike a dressing, it is not going to wash away. We've had some trim here at Esoteric, literally it almost turned white, and we're able to go in, add the coating to it. You let it set for 4 or 5 minutes and go in, wipe off the residue, keep it dry for 12 to 24 hours, and you're good to go. And sometimes if you've got some small trims, small plastic pieces in areas, or think of Porsche 911s, up at the top across the roof, there's a real small, about 6 millimeter wide strip that goes through there that gets looking bad after a while. You can take a little bit of that coating, put it on the end of a Q-tip, and run that all the way down that trim, let it set for a few minutes, wipe it off, and you are done. So unless you're using something other than a coating, you are only getting very limited results at best. That trim coating stuff that's designed specifically for those applications are going to be your absolute best option. Now, if your car is already coated, all you want to do is work with a trim, Geon trim would probably be a good solution for that. It's $45, $50 for a bottle of it, and it's going to be enough to do multiple cars. But if you're coating the entire car, ISM coat 1.0 from Kamikaze collection, that's going to be a good one because you can put it on all the painted surfaces and you can put it on the trim as well. You want to learn more about those two products, check out the next couple of videos because we'll go into more detail in these videos.